Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand one of the most important concept that is called storage class, right? So in this video, we will cover what is storage class, why do we use storage class, and the most important thing, a live demo on how to claim the storage and use it in a real environment, right? So that please make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's jump to the next slide, right? So we are going to see what is storage class, right? So first, let's talk about the storage class. Storage class is the Kubernetes resource, right? That define how storage is provisioned, okay? And it's act like a blueprint of creating the storage dynamically, right? It tells Kubernetes what type of disk to create, which storage backend to use, right? Perform type like standard and premium. Either you can say it's in a simple word, storage class define the rule for creating a persistent volume automatically. So don't worry about this. I know it may be if you're listening these things first time, it will be cause a lot of doubts in your mind, right? So when we are going for the demo, right, you will see step by step what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and why do we use storage class? This is the most important question, right? So there are several important regions, but I'm just covering few, right? Automatic storage provisioning, this is one of the most important region. That's why we are using. What does mean by this? We don't need to create a disk manually, right? And the Kubernetes create a disk automatically when application request a storage. Second, dynamic provisioning. What does mean by this? Storage is created at runtime, right? When it is needed. Multiple storage option we have, right? And suppose you want a storage for the database that's need a high performance disk, it is also available. And the last is a cloud independent design. What does mean by that? Means when we are going to create a YAML, right, that configuration file that work for all three major clouds like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Let's jump to the demo directly. And